3. Today is 17. Right, unit 3. Integral calculus. Right, how to do the higher order in. Yes.
सिंपल हार्मोनिक मोशनचे सम्स नाही झाले.
सिंपल हार्मोनिक मोशन
त्याचे सम्स नाही झाले.
SHM ते काल तुम्ही सांगितलं
अच्छा हाँ SHM ते नाही रे सिलेबस मध्ये नाही है. It is not there in the syllabus. Previously it was there in syllabus, simple harmonic motion, mass spring system and chemical problem. तर ते आता नाही आहे syllabus मध्ये. 2019 syllabus में it is not there.
ओके सर.
ठीक आहे, घ्यायचं असेल तर घेऊ शकते, काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही. बट वाय टू वेस्ट टाइम इन दॅट ना. बरंच आणखी सिलेबस खूप आहे. Completing 6 unit will be a very big challenge for us.
Yes sir.
Okay. चेक करतो मी एकदा, पण माझ्या माहितीप्रमाणे इट इज नॉट देअर इन सिलेबस. इफ इट इज देअर इन सिलेबस आय विल अलॉट 1 or 2 hours for that. 1 hour will be more than sufficient, but I don't think it is in the syllabus. Okay, so please let me continue with this part and we'll have discussion on that part once again. Okay. Okay, so integral calculus right now, unit number 3. Right, topic consists of right 1 reduction formulae. हाँ yes
सर काही पोरं बाकी त्यांना ज्ञानामध्ये.
one minute. No one is waiting outside. They are automatically added. Don't have to do anything for that.
तर पर्सनल आयडी नाही होत ना.
नहीं, काय प्रश्न नाही त्याचा. No any restriction I have kept. Okay, let me continue. If still there is any problem, we'll try to resolve it. Okay, start. Reduction formulas. Then write second gamma function. Right, third beta function. Right, fourth DUIS, differentiation under integral sign. Okay, elaborate it whenever we'll start with the topic. Time being we just read DUIS, differentiation under integral sign. Okay, and then error function. Little bit big topic, 5 different subtopics are there. Okay, so for this reference, go through NPTEL course. Okay, let me provide you the name. Here it is. Engineering mathematics. Here is the name, engineering mathematics 1. Right, engineering maths 1 by what is the name of Jitendra Kumar, Dr. Jitendra Kumar. So in that you go through the this part, huh? I think week number 4, 5, week number 5, right? Week 5. Go through the improper integral part, huh? These gamma function, beta function, DUIS and error function, all these are improper integrals. Okay, so week 5 lecture number 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and week number 6. Week 6, lecture number 26, 27. Please go through these lectures. 7 lectures are there, and you will understand what the exactly this improper integral is, and how we can solve the examples on beta gamma function and all these things. Okay, hope you might have written all these things. Okay, this is the reference. Again, you can go through whatever reference books we considered. Okay, Advanced Engineering Mathematics. By Erwin Kreyszig. Okay. Engineering mathematics is there. Engineering mathematics by Vertical. Yeah. Yes, let me go through the next page. We'll start with the reduction formulas. Hope everyone is here. Right? Can I start now? Can we start with the reduction formulas?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let me start. So let me change the page. You also change the page and write on the next page reduction formulas. Very interesting part, provided you understand it. Okay, usually whatever topics we studied in engineering, at few places only we have to use brain. Just it's usually it is just calculations only, right? So here we have to use the brain. Okay, those who are good in mathematics, they will be able to solve these examples. No doubt, we'll solve more and more examples so that we understand it, what the concept is. Okay, so say I want to solve this integral e raised to minus x dx. Okay, so what is integration? Minus of e raised to minus x. We know it very well. Okay. Now say I want to solve e raised to minus 6 sin x dx. Yes, how to solve this? We have to use UV formula for that, integration by parts. U as it is integration of v minus u dash integration of v, right now? Isn't it? Can we use the chain rule of integration by parts? Like this, u integration of v minus u dash double integration of v plus u double dash. Yes,
No.
anyone? What will be u and v?
Repetition.
Yes.
And sin x cos x minus cos x repetition.
Yes, sir.
Very good. You might have understood that this formula cannot be used. Right?
Zero आएगा
We
नहीं
use
sir.
this. हाँ, नहीं आएगा ना. This formula is used whenever derivative of one of the function that should become zero.
Zero.
Which is not possible in case of e raised to minus x as well as sin x. Okay, but no doubt we can use this formula, right? This formula cannot be used in integration by parts, but we can use this UV formula and we can get the required answer. Okay, and standard formula is there for this formula. You might know the required formula that we used in the electric circuit also, but in a different way we use that. So the standard formula is like this: e raised to x divided by a square plus b square a sin of bx minus b cos of bx, and using this formula we can integrate this. Clear? But problem is here, right? So first one, second one we can solve. Third one is like this: e raised to minus x sin raised to nx dx. We want to solve this integral and say limits are provided 0 to pi by 2. Okay, now it doesn't matter whether limits are provided or not. If limits are not provided, we can find the classical answer. Okay, indefinite answer we can find. And if limits are provided, after finding the integral, we have to substitute the upper limit and minus of the lower limit. Okay? We know all those things very well. Okay, so don't bother about the limits at this moment. Okay, so we want to concentrate on what the integrand is, and it is e raised to minus x sin raised to nx, and our aim is to solve this integral. Okay, so whatever the method known to us, maybe integration by parts, the chain rule of integration by parts, it is not possible to solve this integral. Okay, in fact, whatever methods we solved, studied till date, maybe in 11th, 12th, or maybe in engineering, by that method it is not possible to solve this integral. Okay, and a new method we want to develop for this type of integral. So let me write a notation for this type of integral. So I'll write it as in. We can change the value of n. I can take n equal to 5. So it will be, so I5 will be integration from 0 to pi by 2 e raised to minus x sin raised to 5x. I can take I equal to 10. Okay, I can write I10, the corresponding integral. You can write it. Okay, so now once I have in, see now, let me generalize it. I can write in minus 1. Tell me what will be in minus 1? 0 to pi by 2 e raised to minus x and sin raised to what? Sin raised to n minus 1 x dx. Getting everyone? Right. So now our aim will be to find relation between in minus 1, in minus 2, and so on. This type of relation which is free from integral, the integral should not be there. So relation, I'll say algebraic relation between in minus 1, in minus 2, and so on is known as reduction formula. Okay, start definition. Consider an integral in. The relation between in minus 1, in minus 2, and so on is known as reduction formula. Is known as reduction formula. Let me start with the first example, and then it will be clear. It will be more clear. Two things should be clear. What the reduction formula and how to find it. This is what we want to be clear after the first example. And second, what is the use of this reduction formulas? Okay, so two questions we are keeping for the next example. Let me start with the first example. At the first moment, it is little bit, you may face difficulties to understand it, but keep patience and you will understand it. Okay, so if starting with the first example, let me change the page. Now be concentrated, see towards the screen. Hope everyone is here. Yes, everyone is here. Chaitanya Jangle, just give me attendance.
Yes,
Chaitanya
sir.
Jangle, Vinay Patel,
Sir.
Vinay,
Yes, sir.
Rohit Kumar. Rohit Kumar is here. Rohit.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Bhavesh Patel.
Yes, sir.
Lalit is here. Omkar Atole, are you here? Now see to good, very good. See towards screen and try to understand how to find the reduction formula. Okay. So let me start with the first example. Write with me. Right. If in is the given integral. In equal to integration from 0 to infinity e raised to minus x sin raised to nx dx. Obtain relation between in minus 2 and hence find integration from 0 to infinity. So the reduction formula is to be used to solve this. E raised to minus x sin raised to 4x dx. Okay. Solution. Given in equal to integration from 0 to infinity e raised to minus x sin raised to nx dx. Okay. Now just see towards screen and try to understand. I'll give you time to write all these things. So first understand. Understanding is more important. Whatever aim is to find a relation between in and in minus 2. Let me write in minus 2. Tell me what will be in minus 2. In minus 2 will be integration from 0 to infinity e raised to minus x and sine raised to what? Sine raised to n minus 2x dx. Right? I'm not able to write dx. Understand dx is over there. Now see what our aim is. Somehow we should able to integrate the in integral. But after integration, what we want? There is no change in the limit. See in minus 2. No change in the limits. It is 0 to infinity. No change in the exponential term. It is e raised to minus x only. There is a change in the power of sine term only. Here we have sine raised to n. And now we want sine raised to n minus 2. That is, the power of sine term is to be decreased. Yes, tell me. What should be u and v? Now I want to use integration by parts. I cannot use the chain rule of integration by parts since the derivative of none of this function becomes 0. Hope everyone is getting this. So I had to use integration by parts, basic formula of integration by parts. Okay. For that, I want to decide u and v so that the degree of sine raised to nx will decrease. Now, if I integrate this, right, and no doubt integrating sine raised to nx is very difficult, right? Whereas if I differentiate, what will be the derivative? What is the derivative of sine raised to n? Yes, what is the derivative of sine raised to nx? Tell me, what is d by dx of sine raised to nx? N sine raised to n minus 1x, and then again derivative of sine x, chain rule we have to use, cos x. Right? So at this moment, don't bother about the cos x, how to remove the cos x. Okay, just concentrate on decreasing the degree of sine term. Yes, we are able to decrease the degree of sine term, but for that, what we have to do? We have to differentiate sine raised to nx. That is, sine raised to nx will be u, and e raised to x will be v. Okay, let me write all these things once again. So I'll start like this: in equal to 0 to infinity. Again, I'm starting. This was just explanation.
आम्ही लिहायचं का सर?
नाही लिहायचं मी सांगणार कारण हे this is first example, somewhat difficult. Okay, so give me some time.
Okay, sir.
We'll understand it and then I'll tell you when we have to write it. Okay, so I'm using this formula: integration of uv equal to u as it is, integration of v minus u dash, and integration of v multiplication of these two. We know this formula very well. Okay, but don't use the Eilert rule. Sometimes we may get answer by Eilert rule, but we should not use the Eilert rule here. Here we have to use a different way. What the way is? What we want. So we have in, we want in minus 2. That is, we want to decrease the degree of sine. Sine raised to nx is to be converted into sine raised to n minus 2. So the sine term should be differentiated, and therefore sine raised to nx is u. समझ में आ रहा है सबको ये? Clear है? Why sine raised to nx is u? Don't use the Eilert rule here. No doubt Eilert rule will work for few examples, but always it will not work. Okay, there. So let me continue now. In equal to that u as it is, sine raised to nx as it is, into integration of the v. Since this is first example, let me write every step. Limits 0 to infinity, minus of integration from 0 to infinity u dash d by dx of sine raised to nx, okay, into integration of v, that is integration of e raised to minus x. Don't have to write limit here. Hope everyone know this. Their multiplication and again integration. Okay, so it is like this: sine raised to nx, no change. Integration of e raised to minus x, e raised to minus x divided by minus 1. Okay, limits are 0 to infinity, minus of, now let me differentiate 0 to infinity. What is derivative of sine raised to nx? N sine raised to n minus 1 x into derivative of sine x is cos x into, now integral of this term, e raised to minus x. What is integration? E raised to minus x divided by minus multiplication of these two terms. Hope you might have understood. This is the derivative and this is the integral. Okay, their multiplication and then dx. Let me go through the next step. See, upper limit is infinity. What is e raised to minus infinity? 0. Right. Now see, what about sine infinity? Whatever the value of x, what is maximum value of sine x? 1. What is minimum value of sine x? -1. Value of the sine x function lies between -1 to 1. It doesn't matter whether it is -1 or +1. E raised to minus infinity, upper limit is infinity. E raised to minus infinity is 0. Therefore, upper limit is 0. I am mentioning it here. E raised to minus infinity equal to 0. Therefore, minus of, what about the lower limit? Substitute x equal to 0. What is sine of 0? 0. What is e raised to 0? 1. What is 1 into 0? 0. Okay, so lower limit is also 0. But due to what? Due to sine 0 equal to 0. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? ये 0 हो गया. Okay. Now I'll take this minus sign outside. This minus sign and this minus sign, it will become plus. Okay. Then I'll take this n also outside. So n 0 to infinity. Okay. Let me write in this way. E raised to minus x. Sine raised to n minus 1 x into cos x and then dx. Okay, please write up to this step. So now we are remaining with the integral only. Clear? Yes, please write it. हाँ अभी आप लिख लीजिए क्या लिखना है ये पहला पार्ट छोड़ दीजिए आप इसकी जरूरत नहीं दिस वाज एक्सप्लेनेशन यू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर B1 यहां से स्टार्ट कीजिए आप और till that time if you have doubt you let me know and those who understood see this last integral is there na we want to use the integration by parts rule once again and then we'll get the required answer so if you understood you can use the integration by parts rule once again please go ahead try to solve the example try to solve the remaining part of example चलो आप सॉल्व करो लिख दो आप एटलीस्ट यू राइट द these 3 4 5 steps
आपल्याला
yes
in-2 पाहिजे का
correct since it is asked in the question to obtain relation between I n and I n minus 2 now from here from the last integral it is not possible to write I n minus 1 or I n minus 2 na cos x term is there na therefore if fortunately we don't have this cos x term na
तर त्यातनं जर sin x कॉमन जर घेतलं म्हणजे sin n minus x मधनं जर sin x काढलं तर sin n minus 2 x येईल आणि मग sin x cos x ला म्हणजे मल्टिप्लाइंग and dividing that 2/2 म्हणजे sin 2x बाहेर घेऊ शकतो आणि मग त्याला
got it
असं म्हणू शकतो ना
no see whatever you are saying na multiply cos x by sin x and then we can use sin 2x formula that you want to say na
yes sir
by anyway no but then we have sin x term and sin 2x term na they are not same terms na they are different na correct not clear
yes sir
so we want same type of term see the integral here it is sin raised to nx na so we want sin raised to nx only sin raised to n 2x 3x 5x x by 2 not allowed it clear
शीतल पाटील सर
yes madam
sir I'm having some few questions to the students
okay madam please students ma'am is asking you a few questions please try to answer them
okay good afternoon students so I want to ask you that yes which subject you are trying to learn right now
engineering mathematics 2
mathematics 2
okay so the course outcome of this subject anyone
students we have discussed course outcomes at the starting so you have to tell the course outcomes what we are expected to study at the end of this course at the end of engineering mathematics 2 that you have to explain
any one of you can answer
Tejas, Maitri.
To understand problems and find solutions.
Okay. So that is one CO. So any other CO?
Ma'am, to apply the effective mathematical tools for solving differential equations.
Okay, okay. So from this mathematics subject, how you can use this for your engineering study? Can anyone answer?
By applying differential equation and different equations to solve problems on which needs some equations and proper mathematics.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, sir, you continue.
Okay, okay. Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Those who answered it, but you should know all the COs, huh? We have NBA visit before after few days, so you should know all the. Better we'll do one thing. We'll have one Viva on the CO and POs. At least to keep them inside, na? Who is asking you? The way you are giving the online exam, na? You're doing that way. Keep all the COs with you. Right, all the POs with you, and we should able to answer these questions. Acha, we'll do one thing. Whatever few things that we are expecting, NBA committee is expecting, not we. NBA committee expected that students should know. Okay, so we'll make one document of that. Vision, mission of the college, then of the department, then COs and POs of all the subjects. Okay, POs they are of the program. Okay, of the B engineering mechanical, B engineering civil, okay. And you should know the COs of a particular subject. Till I think a few of you have answered it correctly. At least you have answered. Thank you. Thank you. Who speak? I think कौन बोला? यादव, सिद्धांत यादव ना? तेजस कौन बोला?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
सिद्धांत. Who else?
सर मी पण बोललो.
अथर्व.
मी म्हणजे सांग. अथर्व. थांब जरा 2-3 मार्क्स तर तुला जास्त द्यायला पाहिजे. मला सांग रोल नंबर कोणा. सिद्धांत तुझा नंबर सांग.
51. A51.
A51. आणि कोण बोलला?
सर
A11. ओके. Who else? तिघं कोण तर बोलले. आणखी कोण बोलला?
टाकलं सर आता PDF ऑफिशियल ग्रुपवर.
ठीक आहे चालेल. काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही. काहीच बोलला नसता तर प्रॉब्लेम झाला असता. ऍटलीस्ट यू स्टार्टेड इट. ओके गुड. थँक्यू. No problem. Let me continue with our part. So where we are. So for the whole day from the morning itself, we are all the first year staff. In fact, the whole college we are engaged in the NBA pre-audit. The final committee will come soon. I'll inform you about that. So NBA says that the education should be OBE, outcome based education. Okay, and for that 10 criteria is there of the NBA. First 7 criteria are for the departments. So NBA is department wise, it is not of the college. So may NBA accreditation may given to the mechanical department only, and maybe the other departments may not get the accreditation if they will not fulfill the given criteria. So 1000 marks are there for the first 7 criteria. They are department wise. 8th criteria is of the first year. 9th and 10th criteria, they are the central criteria for the whole college. Okay, so 10 criteria are there, and they are allotting marks according to how we are working on the OBE philosophy, outcome based philosophy, outcome based education. And for that, basic things are we should have vision, mission. One, second, we should follow the PO philosophy, program outcome philosophy. Okay, that is expected. And everything is quantified. Quantity त्याची quantify केलेलं आहे everything. Okay, so if 10 students are getting more than say 10 percentile, 5 marks are there, like this. Everything is quantified. Okay, so you can go through the Google, you can go through the YouTube, and you can understand what is this NBA accreditation is. Okay, so please let me go through our part. That is, I think, more important at this moment. You might have written up to this step. Let me go through the next page, next step. Sorry, next page, next step. So okay, 1 minute. Yes. Check. Change page. Page number 4. So it is like this. See, we are here. In equal to n is taken outside, 0 to infinity, e raised to minus x. Okay. Then sine raised to n minus 1 x cos x dx. Now I am considering this whole term as u. Okay, and I am considering this as v. Okay, and I'll use the uv formula once again. Okay, so I'll use this formula. Integration of uv equal to u as it is, integration of v minus u dash integration of v, their multiplication and again integration. Okay, so let me use it. So in equal to, more space is required, so let me start writing from here. So in equal to u as it is, sine raised to n minus 1 x cos x as it is, into integration of the v, integration of e raised to minus x. Can I write it directly? E raised to minus x divided by minus 1. Okay, this is the first term. Then I have to substitute the limits 0 to infinity, minus of u dash, that is d by dx of, little bit difficult, so let me write one more step, into cos x, derivative of this, into integration of e raised to minus x dx, and then multiplication of these two terms dx, and then I have to complete the bracket. I don't have space, I completed it in this way. Okay, so let me simplify this. N, the big bracket, then the first term whose integration is already known to us. Upper limit is infinity, e raised to minus infinity equal to 0. So upper limit 0. Lower limit now minus. Sine of 0 equal to 0. Therefore lower limit is also 0. Please mute yourself. Minus of. So let me write the. I forget to write the limits. Let me write the terms inside the integral. Now first I had to write the derivative. Okay, and for that I had to use the product rule. So sine raised to n minus 1 x as it is, integration of the cos, sorry, derivative of the cos x. What is derivative of cos x? Minus sine x. Absolutely. Plus derivative of sine raised to n minus 1. So n minus 1 sine raised to n minus 2 x into, let me write the terms here, into derivative of sine x is cos x. Already we have cos x term, so cos will be cos square x. Hope you might have understood how the derivative is obtained. Into integration of e raised to minus x, e raised to minus x divided by minus 1 dx. Understood? This whole term, this is the derivative, a purna derivative. And then integration of e raised to minus x, e raised to minus x divided by minus 1. Since the first term is 0, I am not writing it. N is outside, n. Okay, then I am taking this minus sign outside. So minus minus will be plus, integration from 0 to infinity. Okay, now let me write the remaining terms. So we have sine raised to, see, sine raised to n minus 1 and sine x. So sine raised to nx with the minus sign. Okay, plus n minus 1, right? Sine raised to n minus 2. What about the cos x? How we can write cos x in terms of sine x? 1 minus sine square x. Hope you might have understood from where we are getting this term. And then outside we have e raised to minus x dx. Samajh like simplification. Have you understood this simplification? I have simplified the curly bracket. This curly bracket is simplified in the square bracket. Okay, sine raised to n minus 1 x into sine x, sine raised to nx. Minus sign is written outside. Then n minus 1 as it is, sine raised to n minus 2 x, x as it is, cos square x is written in this way, 1 minus sine square x. Every term, every trigonometric term is required in terms of sine, therefore. Okay, now let me simplify this. Okay, I'll write in this way, n 0 to infinity minus of sine raised to nx plus n minus 1 sine raised to n minus 2x, then n minus 1 into this minus sign. So minus of n minus 1 sine raised to nx. Hope you might have understood this. E raised to minus x dx. Now see, these are the two terms. I'll write them together. Sine raised to n, sine raised to n. So n 0 to infinity, then minus of sine, sorry, he will coefficient minus, see this minus 1, I'll write one more step, minus 1 and minus n plus 1 sine raised to nx plus n minus 1 sine raised to n minus 2x e raised to minus x dx. Now I'll write two different integrals. In the simplification, plus 1 minus 1 will cancel. So n 0 to infinity. Okay, I'm writing two integrals. This will be equal to minus n sine raised to nx. Outside the square bracket, we have e raised to minus x. So e raised to minus x dx. This is the first integral. Plus second integral. See, already n is there outside. N 0 to infinity n minus 1 sine raised to n minus 2x e raised to minus x dx. Right up to this step. Till if any doubt is there, any problem is there, any mistake is there, let me know. If you have not understood any step, any function, please let me know. First example is a little bit difficult. Understanding it is difficult. Once you understand it, remaining examples are usually simple. And again, whenever we are studying all these things, don't concentrate on the exams. For exam, this will be not asked why I am studying it. Okay. So the aim should be to understand maximum number of concepts. And it will develop your mathematical logic, aptitude. Mathematical aptitude will be developed at the end of studying engineering mathematics 1, 2, 3, and that will help you to solve your real life problem as well as engineering problems. This is the reason why we are studying all these things. Clear? Written?
Sir,
Can I go to the next page?
Direct. काय इंटिग्रेशन करायचं?
Absolutely. नाही करायचं. I too टाकायचं. तेच तर करायचं. Very good. Who understood this? I think many of you might have understood it. Very good. You are on right track. चैतन्य काय? Very good. मला वाटलं काय चाललंय म्हणतेस. Okay.
सर ते बघा काय होतं.
अरे हो, sorry. Page number 5, please. In equal to, right? In is there on the left side. In equal to. Now let me take minus n outside. So we have minus n square. 0 to infinity, absolutely. E raised to minus x sine raised to nx dx. Then plus n minus 1, 0 to infinity, e raised to minus x sine raised to n minus 2x dx. Okay, that is in equal to minus n square. What this integral is? The given integral, that is in. Absolutely. Then n minus 1. What the next integral is? In minus 2. The power of sine term n minus 2. Now let me take this in to other side. So in plus n square in equal to n minus 1 in minus 2. Now this will be 1 plus n square in equal to this term. Okay, that is in equal to n minus 1 divided by 1 plus n square in minus 2. Right, so this answers our first question. How we can find the reduction formula. Okay, so this is the way. Using the integration by parts formula, we can find the reduction formulas. Now, what is the application of this? We'll understand it. And you might have understood why we are studying all these things, to solve this type of integrals. The in type of integrals are to be solved. They cannot be solved directly. Using the reduction formula, we can solve them. How? We'll understand. Write this as equation number 2. The given integral is to be written as equation number 1. If it is not mentioned, please mention it. The given integral where we started, na, given I n equal to. There you write equation number 1, then add on. To find, any doubt till, then add on. To find I4. Right now, we want to find this, na? 0 to infinity e raised to minus x sine raised to 4x dx. So our aim is to find I4. Okay, we'll try to find it. Okay, so right, substituting n equal to 4 in 2, equation number 2. So I4 equal to n minus 1, right? Divided by 1 plus n square, 4 square. I 4 minus 2, I2. So 12 divided by 17, I2. Understood? Okay, now we have to find I2. Yes, anyone? How we can find I2? Substitute n equal to 2 in equation number 2. Simple. So I2 equal to n minus 1. 2 minus 1. 1 divided by 1 plus n square. Now n is 2. Right now, so 2 square is 4. I 2 minus 2, 0. I naught. Okay, so 2 divided by 5, I naught. Now again, don't substitute n equal to 2 in equation number 2. Now we want to find I naught, and from where we can find I naught? From the original equation. Right. From I think it is better to write on the next page.
Sir, I not 0.
Right up. Very good, very good. Check karo na. Why I naught will be 0? If I naught will be 0, then I2 will be 0, I4 will be 0, I8 will be 0, everything will be 0. But it is not so. Right now, so I naught should be, in fact, you should say that I naught should be non-zero. Okay. Okay, we'll see that.
Okay, sir.
Minus e to power minus x.
Absolutely, very good. So I think now many of you are working as an engineer. You are trying to solve it yourself. Very good, very good. You should. In fact, you might be in the class now. Usually, we all, in fact, not only me. Usually, we used to give time to solve it yourself. In engineering, it is very difficult to get this much time in the class. So, right, I n equal to 0 to infinity e raised to minus x sine raised to nx dx. Now substitute n equal to 0 over here. So somewhere we have to use the original integral, and here we are using e raised to minus x sine raised to 0 is 1. So e raised to minus x. What is integration of e raised to minus x minus e raised to minus x? Substitute 0 and infinity. E raised to minus infinity 0 minus minus plus e raised to 0 1. So I naught equal to 1. But equation number 4, I think. I2 equal to, can anyone tell me what is I2? I don't have that page right now. I2 equal to?
2 by 5 I naught.
Very good. 2 by 5 I naught, na? So 2 by 5 into 1. So 2 by 5. And from equation number 3, what is I4?
12 by 17 I2.
Absolutely. 12 by 17 I2. So 12 by 17 into 2 by 5. Can anything be cancelled? No. So I4. That is integration from 0 to infinity. E raised to minus x. Sine raised to 4x. Dx, that is equal to 24 divided by 85. Hope everyone is getting this. This is the application why we are studying the reduction formulas. Hope this is clear. चलो अभी क्या करते हैं, अटेंडेंस लेते हैं. उसके पहले एक छोटा सा स्टोरी बताता हूँ आपको, जिसके बारे में बताया आज. चलो महाभारत की स्टोरी बताता हूँ, ठीक है?
Yes sir.
रिटर्न द आंसर। हाँ, तो हमें सबको पता है कि डोनेशन जब देना होता है ना, तो कर्ण का नाम आता है। दान करने में कर्ण मशहूर थे कि उन्होंने अपने जो कर्ण फूल थे वो भी दान किए, जिसमें उनकी जिंदगी थी। यदि कर्ण फूल उनके पास होते तो महाभारत का रिजल्ट है वो अलग होता, राइट ना। वी नो ऑल दिस थिंग्स वेरी वेल। ये जो पहला लॉकडाउन था उसमें काफी सारे 1-2 चैनल पे महाभारत फिर से लगा था, शायद आपने देखा होगा, या मैक्स प्लेयर पे या किसी पे अवेलेबल है, जब आपको टाइम मिलेगा, लेकिन उसको दूरदर्शन पे। हाँ, तो नहीं, वो महाभारत 2 अलग अलग है ना। एक जो पहले किसने बनाया था, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर। अभी जो एकता कपूर ने बनाया ना नया महाभारत, वो भी स्टार चैनल पे किसी पे लग रहा है,
हॉटस्टार पे
ठीक है। हाँ, हॉटस्टार पे शायद अवेलेबल है, करेक्ट। तो आप उतना टाइम यूजुअली नहीं होता है ना, और तो तब पेशेंस भी नहीं होता है। हाँ, तो एटलीस्ट यू कैन गो थ्रू द स्टोरी ऑफ महाभारत। हाँ, हमें ब्रॉड में पता है क्या क्या हुआ था, लेकिन यदि छोटी छोटी हम चीजें देखने जाएंगे ना, तो काफी सारी चीजें हैं कि जो वी कैन यूज देम इन आवर रियल लाइफ। यानी ये समझा जाता है कि रामायण है दैट इज आइडियलिस्टिक, हो ही नहीं सकता। सीता, हाँ श्रेयस,
रामानंद सागर।
हाँ, रामानंद सागर, एब्सोल्युटली एब्सोल्युटली। हाँ, रामायण जो है वो दैट इज आइडियलिस्टिक, वो हो नहीं सकता। तो एंड महाभारत इज रियलिस्टिक, वो हमेशा होता रहता है, आज के जमाने में होता है, कल भी होता रहेगा, है ना। अच्छा, तो आई वाज स्पीकिंग अबाउट द कर्ण। हाँ, तो कर्ण को सब बोलते थे कि बहुत बड़ा दानी वगैरह है, ये है वो है। तो अर्जुन थोड़ा सा उससे जलता था, ही वाज जेलस अबाउट द कर्ण। हाँ, तो अर्जुन ये सोचता रहता था कि यार इसको क्यों दानशूर करके बोलते, मैं भी तो हूँ, मैं भी तो जितना चाहिए उतना दान करता हूँ। तो वो एक बार कृष्ण के पास जाते हैं। यूजुअली मेरे 2 बार आवाज आ रही है क्या? म्यूट योरसेल्फ प्लीज। तो एक बार वो कृष्ण के पास जाते हैं और बोलते हैं कि ये कर्ण को सब दानशूर बोलते हैं, मैं भी तो दानशूर हूँ, मैं भी जितना चाहिए उतना दान कर सकता हूँ, है ना। तो कृष्ण बोलते ठीक है, हम देखते हैं कि कौन आप बड़े दानशूर हो या कर्ण दानशूर हो। तो एक बार अर्जुन को बुलाते हैं, दूसरे दिन बुलाते हैं, और हाइपोथेटिकल स्टोरी है तो आप उसको समझिए। एक छोटा सा टीला होता है, हाँ, और सोने का होता है पूरा, और वो कृष्ण बोलते कि ये सोने का टीला है, सोना है समझिए आप, और इसको आपको लोगों में बांटना है। तो आप जैसा चाहो उसको बांटो, आपको एक दिन है। तो ये क्या करता है अर्जुन, लोगों को बुलाता है, गांव में जाके अनाउंस करता है कि मैं ऐसे ऐसे सोना दान करने वाला हूँ और आप आइए। तो लोग एक साथ आते हैं, तो सब लाइन लगाते हैं, और अर्जुन वहां पे खड़े रहते हैं, और जितना जिसको चाहिए, किसको बोरी में चाहिए, किसको एक जिसमें भी चाहिए, जिन्होंने जितना भी उन्होंने जो भी वो लेके आए थे, तो उनको भर भर के वो सोना देता है। लेकिन जितना सोना देता है उतना सोना वही रहता है, सोना कम नहीं होता है। तो पूरे दिन भर वो सोना बांटता रहता है, लेकिन वो सोना खत्म नहीं होता है। तो शाम में जाके कृष्ण को मिलता है और बोलता है कि मैंने ऐसे ऐसे हुआ और ये सोना ही खत्म नहीं हो रहा था। तो कृष्ण बोलते ठीक है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, हम कल देखते हैं क्या होता है। तो कल फिर वो कर्ण को बुलाता है, और वो बोलता है वही सेम जो सोने का टीला होता है, वो बोलता है कि ये आपको दान करना है और आप थोड़ा सा दान कर दो इसको। तो कर्ण क्या करते हैं, गांव में जाके लोगों को बोलते हैं कि ऐसे ऐसे सोना है और आप वहां से लेके जा सकते हो, और वो वहां पे रुकते नहीं है, कर्ण वहां से निकल जाते हैं। हाँ, तो ये दोनों में डिफरेंस है, राइट। दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है, अर्जुन चाहता है कि मैं दान करूं और मेरा नाम हो जाए ना, दोनों चीजें चाहता है। कर्ण क्या चाहता है, मैं दान करना है तो मेरे नाम की जरूरत नहीं, मुझे सिर्फ दान करना है। तो लाइफ में जब भी आप सक्सेसफुल हो जाओगे, तो ये याद रखना है कि मेनी थिंग्स वी आर गेटिंग फ्रॉम द सोसाइटी। काफी सारे लोग ऐसे हैं कि उनको इंजीनियरिंग पढ़ने के लिए चांस नहीं मिल रहा है, कि दे आर बिट इंटेलिजेंट, उनकी कैपेसिटी है, लेकिन उनको इंजीनियरिंग करने के लिए चांस नहीं मिल रहा है। काफी सारे लोग ऐसे हैं कि एक बार का ही खाना खाते हैं। काफी सारे बच्चे बोल सकते हैं, लोग बोल सकते हैं कि उनको जो चाहिए चीजें, मिनिमम थिंग्स, वो अपने इंडिया में नहीं मिल रहे। तो इफ पॉसिबल, जब भी आप जॉब लग जाएगा, जब भी आपको पैसा मिलेगा, तो आपको यू हैव टू गिव बैक। हाँ, ये कल्चर वेस्ट में काफी ज्यादा है, हमारे यहाँ पे भी है, लेकिन उतना ज्यादा नहीं है। So you might know that I don't remember. Bill Gates has also done Gates Foundation. Bill Gates has also done, and few more peoples from the US and Western countries. They have donated their wealth, whole wealth, half of the wealth, और काफी सारी चीजें उन्होंने डोनेट की है। इंडिया में भी काफी सारे लोग करते हैं, लेकिन आप भी याद रखिए कि हर एक को करना है, बड़े बड़े लोग ही नहीं, हमारे जैसे लोगों को भी दान करना है। और दान कितना करना होता है? If you go through the Indian ideology, Hindu ideology or ideology of any religion doesn't matter, तो आप देखोगे कि कम से कम 17%, राइट, यानी आपको जितना भी पैसा मिलता है एक मंथ में से, सैलरी मिलता है, बिजनेस से मिलता है, तो उसमें से 1/6 आपको डोनेट करना है, एटलीस्ट 10%, एटलीस्ट 5%। या आप जब भी आपको जॉब मिलेगा तो आप डिसाइड कीजिए कि मुझे से 1 लाख का जॉब है, पर मंथ आई एम गेटिंग 1 लाख, तो एटलीस्ट मैं 4,000 5,000 दान करूंगा, डोनेट करूंगा, है ना? ओके, दैट इज व्हाट आई एम टू टेल यू। इसके बारे में और एक स्टोरी है कैसे दान करना चाहिए। हाँ, तो जब भी मुझे टाइम मिलेगा नेक्स्ट टाइम आई टेल यू अबाउट दैट। Few things right now I am reading about the China book. I am reading on the China. Probably I'll able to complete it. If I am able to complete it in time, I'll tell you few things about the China also. Before few days, I read about the Putin. Putin is known to you ना?
Yes,
जब
sir.
भी टाइम मिलेगा, लेकिन काफी टाइम लगता है, टाइम काफी कम रहता है, तो I'll tell you about the Putin also and few more stories also. हाँ, so timing will stop here. Attendance मैं यहाँ से लेता हूँ, just 1 minute and not take attendance one by one. Little bit difficult. यहाँ से कहाँ से attendance लेना? यहाँ से लेना है। Just 1 minute. नोट्स में आज ट्राई करता हूँ थोड़ा सा, अभी एनबीए का ऑडिट चल रहा है, वो पूरा नहीं हुआ है, so I'll try to upload it by today. I'm not promising, but by tomorrow I will do that. Attendance कहाँ पे है? Scan document, ये नहीं, academic, 1 minute only, and then you can do online lectures. Attendance. Yes, you can leave. Thank you. हो चालेल, काहीच नो
सर मी पण.
मी पण
हो
सर.
हो हो, मला मेसेज टाक ना व्हॉट्सअपवर, म्हणजे मला लक्षात.
Okay,
हा, सेंड मी मेसेज ऑन व्हॉट्सअप, रोल नंबर अँड नेम,
Yes,
दॅट्स
sir.
इट.
Thank you, sir. Take care.
ओके ओके, थँक्यू.
काय
हा, बाय बाय.
Thank you, sir.
ओय शपथ, पाऊस.
तेजस. पाऊस.
Recording.
सरांनी रेकॉर्डिंग स्टॉप नाही केली.
इकडे पाऊस चालू आहे रे तेजस, तिकडे पाऊस आहे का?
ऊन आहे.
बाय. थँक यू A48.
Okay.
हा, बोल की. अरे काय करावं, मला काही कळत नाही. नाही, तू काय त्याला तुझा करायचं की बरं. अच्छा. बरं, तू काय काय म्हणतात काय गाडीच काय होयच की तू काय म्हणतात गाडी यायचंय सोड पण आता पाऊस तिकडे पाऊस आहे का? पाऊस आहे आज जोरात आहे पाऊस. नाही पण तिकडे काल पडला बहुतेक जोरात काल परवा जोरात. ते जर काही कवलं घालायचं नाही ते करायला पाहिजे तुला पत्र घालून घ्यायला पाहिजे म्हणजे आता तुमच्या वीस वेळ पडायचं ठीक आहे मी बघतो कसं काय मॅनेज काय आईला गेलं का हा आई हा ते कधी हा 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 सोमवारची सुट्टी गोष्ट चालते बघतो कसं काय काय चालते ठीक आहे हा बोला हा बोला ओके ओके नाही आता काय माहिती का आता जे क्लासेस आहेत त्या मी पुण्यात नाही होत ते हेड ऑफिस मधून होत अहमदाबाद हो करेक्ट जानेवारी पर्यंत मला नाही होते नाही ते आमच्याच लेवलला असतात पण आता तर काय माहिती का त्या कोविडमुळे ह्या 2 वर्षात काही ऍडमिशन वगैरे नाही त्यामुळे तुझे काही खरेदी करणं आता काही शक्य नाही किमान पुढच्या 2 वर्ष शक्य नाही त्यानंतर कॉल करायला आपण करू ठीक हो हो. हा फॅकल्टी सर्व इन्फॉर्मेशन ना ते आरएन पॅटर्न होतात. हो. एक्सटेन्शन एक्झामचं किती आहे 311 असेल 312 11 नाही 312 असेल. चालेल. हा चालेल.